Databases are electronic collections of magazine, journal, and newspaper articles, video and audio files, images, reference material, and much more. While they are delivered over the web, their contents are not considered web pages, so it's usually all right to use databases even if your instructor says no web sources. You can access databases by going to the LSSC library website at www.lssc.edu/library, and then clicking on the Databases button in the large box with the book's background. Databases fall into two categories, general and subject-specific. General databases provide sources on many different subjects. An example of this would be Academic Search Complete. An example of a subject-specific database is Art and Architecture Source, which provides sources only on art-related subjects. This video will show you how to use the Opposing Viewpoints in Context database. Opposing Viewpoints in Context is an excellent place to look for pro and con material for argument papers, speeches, and other projects where you need to take a point of view on an issue. Access Opposing Viewpoints in Context by scrolling to the O section of the database list, or click the letter O in the alphabet at the top of the list. Click on Opposing Viewpoints in Context. You will be taken to a login screen. Enter your XID for the borrower ID and your 6-digit birth date for the PIN. Then click on Log In. The main page is organized into subject areas, each listing 3 popular issues related to that subject. To see more issues for a subject, click on the View All link to the right of each subject. To view all the issues covered in the database, click on Browse Issues at the top left in the black bar. You will be taken to an alphabetical list of issues. If you happen to not see an issue that relates to what you are researching, you can search the database by clicking on the Search More Issues link at the top right. If you see a suitable issue on this list, click on its link to go to information sources you can use for your project. For this video, let's look at airport security. Each issue has a page in this format, with the definition of the issue at the top. Below this are boxes containing different types of sources. The first 2 will always be viewpoints and featured viewpoints. These are sources written by experts on the subject and take a point of view on some aspect of the issue. Each box has the links to several items, with an option to view all of that type of source by clicking on the box heading. You will be able to tell by the title of the item what aspect of the issue is being discussed and what point of view the author is taking. To read the full text, click on a title. Each viewpoint essay will start with some information on the author and questions to consider, followed by the text. On the right side of the screen are tools to email, print, or download the item. Let's go back to the main page for this issue. Below the viewpoint essays are boxes containing academic journal articles related to the issue. Remember that academic journal articles are written for experts in a subject area and may be a bit harder for you to read, but they contain research you can use to support your point of view. Primary sources provide direct or first-hand experience about an issue and include historical and legal documents and other types of information. Scrolling down, you will find boxes with information from newspapers, audio and video files, images, reference sources like encyclopedia entries on topics related to the issue, biographies of people related to the issue, credible websites, and magazine articles. Remember that magazine articles come from popular publications like Time and Newsweek and cover the issue in a way that is accessible to a broad audience. Pay attention to the depth of coverage of the issue in magazine articles. All of the items you access in this database will have the same tools at the right side of the screen to email, print, or download. Remember that there usually won't be one source that contains all the information you need, so look through the different boxes to pick what will work for your research. If you have any questions about using opposing viewpoints in context, contact a librarian for help.